Let us continue from where we left off, from full bow that we discussed last time. To compute any trigonometric value, we need half bow. So half string is called ja, and the distance between the finger and the perpendicular dropped on the arrow will be called kotija, and the remaining part of the arrow is called utkramaja. So sine is ja by vyasartha or radius, and cosine is of course kotija by vyasartha. That is how they compute the trigonometric values. Next, why I explained about this. Basically, I wanted to explain the meaning of this word koti. Here you have the word koti. Koti means the point or cusp. So this is what it is. The koti here is the number 11. Number 11 is the basis for evolution. In fact, the Pascal's triangle, which is actually the scientific representation of evolution, is nothing but the powers of 11, 11, 11 square, 11 cube, like that. If you take a circle of circumference 22 and divide it into half, you will have semicircle will have a length of 11 and diameter will be 7. So that is koti. We call the number 11 koti. So then if you have two kotis or two number 11s or 22, you will get a full circle. Or you can call it dvikoti or ringkoti or whatever. And this is very common circle. The circle we know is this one. And then we have the third one. Third one is most important. In fact, it is we can call it Mukkoti. Mukkoti is 3 into 11, that is 33. This is how its geometric structure will look like: a full circle and a half circle. And you can say this represents the flat earth and the dome above the flat earth. And in South India especially, people believe that there are 33 crores of gods, that is Mukkoti. They think the term koti means crore, 1 crore. So they think there are 3 crores of gods in total, but in fact it is 33. It represents 33. So, so far we have learned that koti means number 11, or semicircle, length of a semicircle, the arc of a semicircle. So a bow, when it is stretched enough, it will create a semicircle. And this is of course if you have 4, 5 kotis, this is how they look like. They're not very perfect structures, but still the more perfect, or in fact what we call the most perfect structure is this one, which has 6 11s, 6 into 11, that is 66, which is basically represents atom. In science, this symbol represents atom. So these 3 circles cut each other at 90 degrees. If you have 3 planes, they will cut each other at 90 degrees, and it is very more or less perfect structure. And then we have the Mukkoti Devathas. Who are these Mukkoti Devathas? Mukkoti Devathas, as I told you, are 33 gods, 12 Adityas, 1 cube to 12 cube, and 11 Rudras, 1 square to I think 66 square or something. Yeah, 66 square. And then 8 Vasus and 2 Prajapatis. In total, they make a total of 33. Next, the most important and interesting subject is that of the creation myth. I would rather prefer the Greek version of creation myth, in which Uranus, the first god, creator god, the sky god, uh, created the rest of the gods. Uranus is a sky god, Gaia is the earth goddess, and together they had many children. Uranus hated his children, so he pushed them into a deeper womb of Gaia that called Tartarus, a place like hell, and she was in great pain. So she asked the Titans, her sons, 12 Titans, to kill Uranus. The last of the Titans, Cronus, obeyed her, and Iapetus from west, Mercury from north, Mars from south, Hyperion from east held the sky down, and Cronus castrated Uranus. So you can say the Ja is Ja as in Japhet, Jupiter, or Iapetus. Japetus is the Ja, and Koja or Kotija or Koja is the Cronus. Let us meet some other time. Bye for now.